I am Mujahid. I have completed my MTech in structural engineering, which I passed out in 2021. After that, I was curious for data, so I researched a lot the fields which I can work, where I can play with data, and I got to know that data analytics and data scientist was one of those fields, and I inquired a lot for these courses and the resources which I can gain the skills, and I came across this Imarticus Learning, the institute where I enrolled myself for data course of data analytics, and after which I got placed in Marsh McLennan. So Imarticus helped me a lot to get placed in this much good company. They gave me a number of opportunities, and they gave me the flexibility to choose among them. And if I was not comfortable with any of the companies or the location they were providing to relocate, so I had the flexibility to choose whether should I relocate or not. So I decided to go with this company, and I am happy with the placement which I got from the Imarticus Learning. So the mentors and the trainers here are very well equipped with the skills, and they have any good knowledge about the field which we will be working in, and they helped us to get resolved our doubts, our questions, and even they motivated us to research more on the things which are updated, to keep us updated and be competitive to the world, so that we can work in this competitive world. Yes, definitely I will recommend this course to others if they are willing to do a job around data, and if they want to get the skills which are essential to work in this field and be updated to the trending tools and technology which we will be using in this field. And if you can opt for this course if you want to work.